ChatGPT to Autonomy, AI agents reshape crypto trading overnight. AI agent, artificial intelligence, crypto trading, reporter, Rachel Wolfson, reporter, Rachel Wolfson, about author. Rachel Wolfson has been covering the cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3 sector since 2017. She has written for Forbes and Cointelegraph and is the host and founder of Web3 Deep Dive podcast. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming a number of industries. Yet AI's impact on the crypto sector will likely be huge moving forward. This is primarily due to the rise of AI agents that can automate crypto trading tasks such as research, charting, strategy execution, and more. AI agents for intelligent crypto automation. Although still a relatively new concept, traders are now able to use OpenAI's ChatGPT agent to surface crypto signs, analyze trends, and quickly act on insights. A ChatGPT agent is an AI tool that performs complex, multi-step tasks, allowing it to research and take certain actions to produce desired results. David Snyder, founder at Lit Protocol, told Cryptonews that AI agents, like ChatGPT agent, are autonomous systems, usually powered by large language models, machine learning, or rule-based logic, that can perceive information, reason about it, and take actions on behalf of a user or an organization. Snyder explained that, unlike a static program, an AI agent can understand goals, for example, maximize yield, reply to emails, rebalance portfolio, plan and decide, for instance, choose between multiple strategies or tools, and act in the real world through tools, APIs, smart contracts, integrations with apps. Learn or adapt over time. This ensures improvement based on results. In practice, AI agents often sit between users and systems, turning human intent into automated execution, Snyder said. AI agents versus rule-based bots. Snyder added that while AI agents are similar to rule-based bots, the major difference is that AI agents are dynamic in their decision-making, whereas rule-based bots operate on pre-programmed models. For example, rule-based bots act on if X then Y prompts. Shamir Azari, CEO and founder of Ensemble, a commerce layer for AI agents, told Cryptonews that an example of a natural language prompt is as follows. Watch ETH on base. If 1H momentum turns positive and gas. Snyder pointed out that it's the AI agent's ability to perceive, reason, and adapt that makes them different from rule-based bots. This is also why AI agents are currently becoming one of the biggest trends in crypto. According to Snyder, the increasing power and accuracy of large language models are expanding out of their initial chatbot/Google replacement use cases and are being given tools to execute complex tasks. How AI agents are used for crypto. For instance, Snyder pointed out that today, AI agents are mainly used for personal productivity, customer service, finance, and crypto strategy. Specifically speaking, he explained that AI agents for crypto are used primarily for 3 types of emerging products. First, AI agents can be used as research agents that help users understand the crypto market. These agents do not trade, but simply help with education. Secondly, Snyder mentioned that agent chatbots can now execute transactions in real time via a user's self-custody key. In this case, the agent is a replacement for the Web3 browser and users tell the agent something like, buy $50 worth of ETH, and the user signs the message in real time to execute the transaction, Snyder explained. Finally, Snyder stated that some AI agents can execute trading strategies with a human out-of-the-loop approach, also known as HOOL. This means that the user can give instructions to the agent and/or deposit funds with an agent who will perform transactions automatically. In all of these applications, the agents will perceive via the ingestion of market data and reason on that data. Only in the third case, where agents trade, will the agent execute transactions on behalf of the users, Snyder said. AI crypto trading bots are also being used to simplify decentralized finance, DeFi. For example, Marco Stokic, head of AI at Oasis Network, told Cryptonews that DeFi agents can autonomously farm the best yields. Projects like Giza and ZYFAI are already proving the potential around these use cases. For example, Giza's model leverages on-chain agents that execute trades quickly and efficiently. Giza's flagship agent, ARMA, has already executed over 100,000 trades and optimized over $30 million in user capital. These autonomous agents operate on a block-by-block basis, adjusting real-time strategies to respond to market conditions without requiring constant user intervention. How AI agents perform private key management. While AI agents for crypto trading can be powerful tools, challenges such as private key management must be managed properly. Snyder explained that there are three main ways to ensure this. First is centralized, third-party custody of key material offered by embedded wallet SaaS companies that let users delegate authority to the application they are using to sign on their behalf, Snyder said. While this case offers security and guardrails to be maintained by the custodian or embedded wallet provider, this may also pose a major security disadvantage and even limit the use of agents. Next, Snyder pointed out that guardrails can be embedded within a smart contract account. This setup lets users create a session signer via methods like ERC-7579 to create a secondary subkey that can sign transactions within the scoped permissions or allowances. He noted that the advantage of this setup is that the permissions are all on-chain. However, the drawback is the limit of smart contract accounts, which incur the expense and overhead in a multi-chain setup, where a wallet needs to be maintained on each support chain. Furthermore, universal rules such as a daily spending limit for an agent across chains become expensive to calculate since the smart account on each chain needs to be aware of all trades made by the agent. This can result in writing a lot of state to the blockchain, which is gas-intensive, Snyder commented. Finally, Snyder noted that the third option is to leverage a decentralized method to manage the agent's key pair. This is where LIT protocol comes into play, which is a decentralized key management network. An agent platform called Vincent is built on LIT protocol, which allows AI agent users to write permissions or guardrails on-chain, and then have the network enforce these rules, for example, spending limit, allowed contracts, etc. According to Snyder, this allows a number of unique advantages. First, agents can be multi-chain out of the box. Next, the ability to perform check/compute off-chain, like running a transaction simulation as part of the user's guardrails. And third, an ability for agent developers to call smart contract functions via APIs and MCPs, opposed to having to write and call smart contracts directly, he said. To put this in perspective, Snyder shared an example of an agent at work. Snyder explained that in this unique setup, a user deposits stablecoins, which are automatically deposited into high-yielding vaults on Morpho. The agentic aspect here is the optimization. For example, if a user deposits USDC on Base, these funds are put to work in the highest yield vault. Later on, if a new vault becomes available using a different stablecoin on a different chain, for example USDT on Arbitrum, the yield agent will exit the current vault, swap to USDT, bridge these funds to Arbitrum and deploy the funds into the higher yielding vault. Gas costs are accounted for in the execution of this automation, Snyder explained. Without this agent, an end user would have to perform all these steps manually, while also being aware of yield opportunities. Other challenges to consider. In addition to private key management, a number of other challenges are associated with AI crypto trading bots. For instance, Azari mentioned that AI agents can also make bad decisions or experience hallucinations. This involves misreading data or overfitting backtests, he said. Market structure risks should also be taken into account, along with compliance and auditability. Stokic also said that the biggest adoption blocker today is trust. Why should users trust someone else's AI agent and deposit their money into it? The future of AI agents and crypto trading. Challenges aside, automated trading with AI crypto trading bots will continue to gain traction. Regarding ChatGPT agent progress, OpenAI has stated that this is part of a broader movement toward agentic finance, where multiple autonomous assistants support real-time decision-making under human supervision. Snyder further believes that as AI agent management matures, automated bots will likely not only live within applications, but will also be able to log into apps to become the de facto paradigm for how work is automated. For example, if you give an AI agent your Facebook password, Facebook will not know if the user requests are coming from a human or an agent, he stated. Snyder added that AI crypto trading bots may also become the biggest users of stablecoins, at least in terms of generating yield. In traditional finance, generating yield on government-issued assets is the role of banks who provide meager returns to users as they lend out their dollars via savings accounts. In the emerging world that runs on crypto rails, the agent that optimizes yield on stablecoins can dethrone traditional savings accounts by providing better returns for users on their dollar, leading to agents being the biggest users of stablecoins. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Ethereum and Picoin by the end of 2025. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. $700 million whale transfer shocks community. Is Wall Street quietly buying? Crypto price prediction today, September 5th, XRP, Cardano, Shiba Inu XRP price prediction. Why an ETF could spark a Bitcoin-like 60% jump. Press releases. XRP today's hot analysis. Regulators retreat. XRP in the spotlight. XRP bullish pattern points to $15. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Kiyosaki warns of a Great Depression. Will BTC's scarcity drive value? 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Cardano price prediction. Everyone's given up on ADA, which is exactly why it might be about to explode. 2 days ago, by Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 14 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 11 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.